Hello friends, it's me, Miss Bacon. Thanks for tuning in to another show. We are going to begin by talking about the school readiness goals that you're going to learn about today. So I'm going to get my little pointy stick. The first thing we're going to do today is we're going to learn about shapes. So you are going to be able to recognize shapes. So I'm going to introduce to you what shapes are and the different types of shapes that we're going to talk about today. And then you're going to be able to help me sort some pictures that I have. You're going to tell me what shape my pictures look like. So today's going to be a really fun show, okay? All we're going to do is we're going to sort by shapes, and you are going to be introduced to what shapes are and what they look like. So now that you know our goals, let's get started. I'm going to tune you in to the different types of shapes that we're going to do right now. All right, so here are the shapes that you're going to learn about today. And guess what? We're going to start right here. We're going to start right here with this first shape. This first shape is called a rhombus, but some people call it a diamond. Can you say diamond? Great job. Yes. So some people call this a diamond. And a diamond has 4 different sides. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So a diamond has 4 different sides. So this shape is called a diamond. And since you already said diamond, I'm going to show you something that looks like the shape of a diamond. It's this right here. This right here is a kite. And this kite is actually the shape of a diamond. So I'm going to put this picture right here on my diamond. All right, so now we're going to go to the next shape. This shape right here is called a hexagon. Can you say hexagon? Great job. So the hexagon has sides too, but I'm going to let you help me count these sides before I tell you how many sides it has. So help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a hexagon has 6 sides. And guess what? This is a different shape that you see all the time. You may not think of a picture that looks like a hexagon, so I'm going to give you a clue. Look at this picture right here. This is a picture of a button. Where do you see buttons? I like that idea. And you also see them on your clothes, on your shirt, on your pants. That's right. So this is a button. This button, not all buttons, but this button is the shape of a hexagon. So I'm going to put this button right here on the hexagon. All right, so we're going to move to the next shape. This shape is called a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Great job. And a rectangle has sides too. So let's count and see how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a rectangle has 4 sides. And guess what? They're not all the same. A rectangle has 2 long sides, and then it has 2 short sides. Again, a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So I'm going to show you a picture of a rectangle. This is a picture of a rectangle. Do you know what this is? It's a door. Great job. So we're going to use this and we're going to put this on the rectangle. This door has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, just like a rectangle. All right, so we're going to talk about this shape right here. This shape right here is called an oval. Can you say oval? Great job. This oval right here does not have any sides. It just goes around and around, but it doesn't have any sides. So I'm going to show you a picture of something that looks like an oval. Do you know what this is a picture of? You eat it and it's big and green, and when you cut it open, it's red in the middle. It's a watermelon. That's right. A watermelon is the shape of an oval. So I'm going to put that watermelon right here on the oval. Now we're going to move to this shape. This shape right here is called a circle. Can you say circle? Great job. So a circle does not have any sides. It just goes around and around. So we're going to look at this. See if you can tell me what this is a picture of. What do you think this is a picture of? It is a clock. And a clock is a circle because guess what? It goes around and around. So this is a clock. And we're going to put it right there on the circle. So now we're going to move to this shape right here. This shape right here is called a triangle. Can you say triangle? Great job. And a triangle does have sides. So let's count those sides. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. So now I'm going to show you a picture of a triangle. This is something else you can eat. You can eat it for dessert. What do you think it is a picture of? It's a piece of pie. That's right. So we're going to put this piece of pie right here on the triangle because it has 3 sides. All right, so now we're going to talk about the star. This shape right here is called a star. And guess what? The star has sides too. Can you help me count the star sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the star actually has 10 sides. And I'm going to show you a picture of something that looks like a star. I'm going to show you this one. And guess what it is? It's a star. That's right. It looks just like a star. So I'm going to put that one right here on the star. And the last one we're going to talk about is a square. Can you say square? Great job. Let's see how many sides a square has. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square has 4 sides. So now I'm going to show you, oh, guess what? I forgot to tell you. The square sides are all the same. Remember we talked about a rectangle? The rectangle sides, there's 2 long sides and 2 short sides. But over here with the square, all of the square sides are all the same. So I'm going to show you a picture of a square. This is something you can eat and you put butter on it and you usually eat it for breakfast. Do you know what it is a picture of? A waffle, that's right. So I'm going to put my waffle right here. All right, so I want to show you something. This little game that I'm playing with right now and showing you is called the Magnetic Math Learning Rods. So it tells you how to sort shapes. But some of you guys do not have this game. So you are actually going to go around your house and you're going to find me these shapes, okay? So when I start working on my shape, I'm going to tell you what color you're going to find, okay? Or sorry, what shape you're going to find. So you need to listen up. All right, so we're actually going to start with the rhombus. Remember, the rhombus is also called a diamond. So you're going to go around your house and see if you can find something that looks like a diamond. You may find this little toy right here. It's a little teeter-totter toy. It looks like a diamond. We also have a baseball field. The baseball field looks like a diamond too. And what else do we have over here? Oh, we have a sign that says that people can walk across the street. That also looks like a diamond. And I think that's all I have. So you're going to go around your house and see if you can find something that looks like a diamond. All right, now we're going to move to the next shape. It's called a hexagon. So right now we just have a button on the hexagon. But look, I have a window that looks like a hexagon. So I'm going to put that on there. And I also have a, oh, look, there's a boat. It's a boat. You can use it to fix things. That's called a boat. It also looks like a hexagon. All right, so you're going to go around your house and see if you can find something that looks like a hexagon. Go around your house and see if you can find something that looks like a hexagon. All right, great job. Now we're going to move on to the rectangle. So I'm going to show you more pictures of a rectangle. Right here I have a cereal box. The cereal box looks like a rectangle. I also have a flag because this flag looks like a rectangle. I also have a letter that you put in the mail because this letter looks like a rectangle. Oh, and I even have a chocolate candy bar because this chocolate candy bar looks like a rectangle. So guess what? You're going to go around your house and you're going to see if you can find something that looks like a rectangle. You're going to go find something that looks like a rectangle. You're looking for something that looks like a rectangle. Great job. So we're going to move on. We're moving to the oval. And remember, if Miss Bacon's going too fast, you can pause the video. And then when you're caught up, you can push play and keep going. We're going to talk about an oval. So look, I have this picture right here. It's a picture of a football. A football looks like an oval. And this is a picture of a mirror. I have a mirror in my house that looks like this. It's an oval too. Then we have a rug or a carpet. It's the shape of an oval. All right, so you're going to go around your house and see if you can find something that looks like an oval. You're looking for the shape of an oval around your house. All right, so let's move to circle. Oh boy, look at this. This looks really good. It's actually a donut. And this donut is the shape of a circle. And then we have a picture of a tire. So you may have some cars in your room or in your playroom, and on those cars there are tires. These tires are the shape of a circle. Ooh, look at this. This looks yummy. This is a picture of a cookie. And this cookie is the shape of a circle. So what you're going to do is you're going to go around your house and see if you can find something that is the shape of a circle. All right, and we're going to move to triangle. So we have a picture of a pizza for triangle, because pizzas are sometimes shaped like triangles. And then we have a yield sign, which means you have to pause for just a second. So when your mommy and daddy are probably driving, or your grandma or auntie or granddad or uncle, sometimes you see this sign. It's called the yield sign, and it means pause for a second. That shape is a triangle. And the last one is a tent. This is something that you can sleep in outside if you're going to go outside and stay outside all night, go on a camping trip. It's called a tent, and it's the shape of a triangle too. So you're going to go around your house and see if you can find anything that looks like the shape of a triangle. All right, and we're going to move on to a star. So we're going to look at this cool thing. This is actually a sheriff's badge. So a sheriff is like a police officer, and they wear these badges on their shirts so you will know who they are. It's actually the shape of a star. So what we're going to do is you are going to go around your house and see if you can find something the shape of a star. Go look and see if you can find something the shape of a star. All right, and the last one we're going to look at is a square. So look, this is some cheese, and you probably eat cheese. Some of you don't like cheese, and that's okay. But this cheese is the shape of a square. Oh, look, this is a present. You probably get presents on your birthday, and guess what? This present is the shape of a square too. All right, and the last thing is a stamp. So you usually put these on letters. Remember, we had a letter right here in the corner. Whenever you go to the post office, you have to buy these stamps so you can mail your letter off. So that stamp is the shape of a square. So now you're going to go around your house and you are going to see if you can find something the shape of a square. All right, I am super excited. So we went over all of these shapes today. A rhombus, some call it a diamond, the hexagon, a rectangle, an oval, a circle, a triangle, a star, and a square. All right, friends, you guys did a wonderful job today. You actually recognized some shapes. You were introduced to some shapes, and you were able to tell me which one it was. And then we sorted some of those pictures by their shape. So you did an excellent job today. Remember, if you don't know what shape you're looking for, just look back at this video and see what the shape is called, and then run around your house, or maybe you should walk. You should walk around your house and go find that shape. Guess what, friends? That's the end of our show today. We worked on shapes today. If you want to watch this video over and over again so you can learn all your shapes, that would be great. But guess what? I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.